everyone. Today I will introduce our team's research project, which is the improvement of the longevity of biochar in the removal and the recovery of leads from wastewater. As you can see, I will divide it into 3 parts to explain our research project. The first part is the introduction, which is about the background of wastewater pollution. The second part is the methods, and the third part is the conclusion of our research. Industry wastewater is the main source of lead pollution in the environment. According to Group Task Research in 2020, wastewater pollution poses a significant threat to human health and the environment, as lead is toxic and non-biodegradable. So, this is why we choose to study this project, as it will be helpful for human health and environmental improvement. While posing a threat to human health, it can also pose a threat to aquatic organisms. We choose to recycle lead using biochar. According to Liang in 2019, different types of biochar have a different absorption efficiency for different heavy metals. Therefore, the advantage lies in the selection appropriate biochar to efficiently recover lead. At the same time, we also need to consider the mutual interference between different ions in wastewater, which is a limitation of biochar. The significance of this project is to improve the mechanical stability and lifespan of biochar in the removal and the recovery of lead in wastewater. According to Group Task Research in 2020, biochar may also cause environmental damage. Our innovation lies in limited research on the removal and the recovery of heavy metals, which has not been explored yet, making it highly feasible. Now let's move on to the second part, which is the experiment part. Firstly, our research objective is to find a suitable biochar to efficiently remove lead from wastewater. So specifically, we choose a biochar on inert glass, which can efficiently remove lead. The material we select for our experiment is banana peel. Why did we choose banana peel? Firstly, it is easy to obtain banana peel. Secondly, according to Group Task Research in 2020, banana peel can produce a particularly high amount of biochar. So banana peel is the real material of protecting biochar. The second is the inert materials, and the third is industrial wastewater. However, this method also has many limitations, such as the absorption efficiency of biochar being affected by pH value and interference from other ions in wastewater. As I mentioned earlier, wastewater contains different ions, and the biochar we choose is also affected by interference from other ions when absorption it. So the above is a brief process of our research. As shown in the figure, this is a simple experimental process, with the first step starting from preparing biochar and finally analyzing the experimental data. This is our timeline, and according to the table, you can see the experimental arrangement. After finishing the above 2 parts, I will now talk about our research conclusions, which are the 3 conclusions shown. And I think the most important is that it can improve the efficiency of lead removal in wastewater. So finally, my introduction is over. I hope you are interested in our research. Thank you for watching.